Hey, what's up guys? Franco here. You're watching Pocketable Tech, and this is a sample video of the Lumia 920 and the LG G2. Both phones are set to auto and are shooting in full HD. That's 1080p at 30 frames per second. So I'm going to switch between the audio. Right now you're hearing the audio on the Lumia 920. Be sure to leave comments below letting me know what you think about the quality as far as the video is concerned, and also the audio. Both of these cameras, both of these phones rather, have optical image stabilization technology built into their camera hardware. Okay, I'm going to switch the audio now to the LG G2, and you guys can tell me what you think of that audio. Now we're listening from the LG G2. Once again, we're going to get some coverage on this car right here. Do some white balance. So once again guys, this is Franco from Pocketable Tech, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below, alright? I will be back with more videos shortly. Peace.